Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your password for a SquareUp account. If you want to update your security setting and you want to change your password for your SquareUp account, then the process is quite easy. First of all, go ahead and open a web browser. In the URL box, type in squareup.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're signed into your SquareUp account by entering your correct credentials. Soon after you are signed into your account, you will end up in the SquareUp dashboard. From the main dashboard, click on your company name at the top right corner of the screen. Once you open up the expanded menu from the option, click on Account Settings. Once you open up the Account and Settings menu, go ahead and expand the Personal Information tab and click on Sign In and Security. Now, click the Update button right next to Password under Sign In and then enter your current password that you are using for your SquareUp account. Click on the Confirm button and enter the new password you are trying to update to. Re-enter the password on the next field once again, and once the password matches, click on Confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your password for your SquareUp account. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the newly updated password. And that is how you will be able to change password on SquareUp. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.